Iran defense industry has developed a new wheeled self-propelled anti-aircraft gun system under the name of Bahman. The vehicle was unveiled on Wednesday, April 13, 2016, during a ceremony on the occasion of the Army Day, attended by the Ground Force Commander Brigadier General Ahmad Reza Portastan. The Bahman is 57mm twin-cannon self-propelled wheeled air defense system designed and manufactured by the Iranian defense industry. The vehicle is based on Ukrainian-made 6x6 truck chassis KRAZ 6322. The Bahman seems to equipped with a modified turret of Soviet-made ZSU-57-2 self-propelled anti-aircraft gun. Main armament consists of twin 57mm S-68 guns which have the same performance and use the same ammunition as the towed single S-60 anti-aircraft gun. The turret is mounted at the rear of the truck chassis. The turret has an elevation of plus 85, depression of minus 5, and 360 turret traverse. Elevation, depression and turret traverse are powered, with manual controls available for emergency use. The original Soviet-made ZSU-57-2 has a rate of fire of 105 to 120 RDS per minute with a practical rate of fire of 70 RDS gun per minute. Maximum horizontal range is 12,000 meters, maximum vertical range 8,000 meters, although effective ranges are less than this. Effective slant range is 3,993 meters. Effective altitude limit with weapons elevated at plus 45 is 2,835 meters and effective altitude limit with weapons elevated at plus 65 is 4,237 meters. In firing position, the vehicle is stabilized by the use of two large hydraulic spades lowered on the ground on each side of the turret.